isizwe sikaphunga nomageba ubhejani lo kuthiwa kaphuma esiqokeni bese niyayeka-ke ukuphuza imali zabafana bese niyababalekela. Akekho umuntu ongaspendi imali yakhe aspendele for nothing. Uma uthembisile gcina isithembisi, uma uhlulwa yilokho ilimi lizogcwala umhlabathi, abazali bakho bazokhala. Cela ukuthi siyeke yonke-ke lento bafethu, ake siyeke ukumopha the flow and forgot the link or forgetting the linkage. Let's start by fixing the link so that we can stop mopping the flow. Namhlanje niyamasaja niyenza into izwakale kangcono, akekho umuntu onelungelo lokubukelala, akekho umuntu onalokho lalela nike. Sonke sinamehlo, right? Sicela ukuthi abantu besifazane befunde ukuvikela amehlo abantu besilisa. Uzokhinda uveza amathanga wenze yonke into indoda ikuthanda ispendeke manje ispendeke ngenxa yokuthi wena u-advertiser ngedidi noma u-advertiser ngezinqa noma ngamathanga. Uya-advertiser ngisho wena. So indoda now trying to buy into ayibonayo oyi-advertisile wena oyibeke obani. The next thing lo ndoda lona uspend imali zakhe for wena. Mawuqeda lapho uyambalekela afterwards. Usuyambalekela-ke manje awusamniki leli khekhe ekade vele lithengela utshwala. Mina into engiyi-understanda ngabantu abaphuza utshwala, uma besafuna ukuphuza before bebaleka, uma besafuna ukuphuza benza noma yini lapha ethaveni, mhlambe bekiss bekunamakhisi andizayo all around. Kuthiwa thenga imali isandla sifake elokhuzaneni, izandla befakele behambe beyothenga bebuye belokhuza benganikezi ngisho ushintshi. Okay-ke abantu ke sebechazile-ke, hayi-ke ithaveli angeke nje kube ithaveli ongaqeda kuyi-10,000 u-10,000 ake sithathe u-10,000 njengama-romance siyabonga finish. But-ke ake sithi-ke out of 10,000 asibuyele back phansi sithi labantu laba badle i-500 yomuntu thizeni emva kwalowo bangamnika saloko abakufanele akade sekufoni waseyababulala, asisho njalo sithi nje i-1,000 imali mfethu. Yabona futhi uzolidla ibusuku bonke imali, isarali yomjida leyo, isarali yomuntu yeviki lonke leyo, 1,000 isarali yomuntu yeviki lonke. Isarali noma imali ekhokhelwa umuntu mhlawumbe ofundile leyo 10,000 uyawuthola lelo 1,000 uyathola ngosuku, wena usudlileke waqeda lapho wazama ukubaleka bakubamba bakubulala. Let's not sugarcoat anything. Let's stand for iqiniso. Ake sivale ilink. Lento lena isuka kubazali abadedela ingane ziyohlala ema-rest nani bengazitshela iqiniso. Uma ziqhruva ingane bengazitshela ukuthi bantu abami, uma kwenzeka into efana naleyo besithiphisa, kungenzeka ukuthi umfana umudla imali bese efuna ukulala nawe, musuku umbalekela, mnike lokho akufunayo ngoba uma uzoqhubeka ubaleka uzokubulala. Uma kuthiwa kunama-WhatsApp messages asherwa ukuthi laba basebexabana lo na 21 noma lo na 22 uyena othandana nebouncer noma uyena othandana nani, hey angifuni nakwazi leyo nto leyo. Kuseqala ama-message ke seqale kwaba naleyo query kwakungathi kuyaxatshana. Guys, let's face the truth. Kubangwani ayikho into engabangwa ngaphandle kwemali. Ufebe ngiyabona, but okuningi oqhatha abantu imali. Sebeyaqala bayaxabana-ke, seyaphuma-ke lo munye usethumela imessage sebeyahamba, lona useyabalandeli uyababulala ngakubalandeli. Bese bakhona isitori esithi hayi no laphana bafike nje sebelahlwa. It's not like balokhuzane laphana bafikele laphana, bafike ngoba sebezolahlwa vele sebefile bobabili. Bese thi omunye no isizwile kuqhuma isibhamu, asazi thina sikhe ePitori, siyajaja nje sila emakhaya. Bafethu awukwazi ukudla imali yomuntu bese ulindele ukuthi kuzoba mnandi. Kunogela ngicela ukuthi nimlalele. Lo gela lona ukhala ngokuthi noma ngakuthiwa yini ade yenzeka, but isidingo sokuthi kufa abantu besingekho bekumele ukuthi befike emakubo. Ngicela ukuthi nimlalele, ngizomfaka nje kancane ake nimlalele lo ntombazana.
I'm speaking from a place of truth, courage and strength. I'm not having a good day. I was having a good day actually. Before this video I did a prank, with my dog. I was just chilling it's my off day, you know, I'm just watching TikTok, editing what I need to, cleaning the house. And I just passed the video of 2 ladies that were shot dead in Mamelodi. That's my hometown, just by the way. Irregardless of everything, the time, what they were wearing, what they were drinking, the age, it doesn't matter. For the fact that they didn't come home, what are we doing about that? South Africa is not safe for women anymore. It can happen to your cousin, your friend, your girlfriend, your best friend, whoever it is.
Okay, bengimbambi. Usisters ukhuluma ngokuthi bekumele befike emakhaya. Akusho lutho ukuthi bagqoke kanjani. Akusho lutho ukuthi benzeni. For a fact ukuthi abafika ngemakhaya. That's a problem ukuthi abafika ngemakhaya. Bebeyapi? Ntombazana, bebeyapi? If you can answer that question, bebeyapi? Bebeyophuza. Uma beyophuza abazi ukuthi bengahlangana negcolegcole. Yes, abazi ukuthi eTavern kuhlela abantu abango-Oskhotheni. Abazi. Yabona isikhunu sibuya ngomkhwezeli. Umuntu ufele isotsha nesotsha lifele emsebenzini wabo. Asikho isidingo sokuthi nikhalela abantu kade beye emsebenzini beyoba ngamasotsha yokuyodla abantu. Akusho bahlala konke baphethe beyodla abantu. Ngabakhalela labo bantu. Baningi abantu engabakhalela abantu abahlasela ebusuku kwangena igebengu zababulala ekhaya. Singakhala ke sesingabeka imbono lapho. Nakhona futhi sisazobuza ukuthi beze behlasela nje ebusuku benzeni bona. Beze befa nje benzeni. Phela ngeke ufele nje just ubumnandi. There's something wrong. Khona umuntu ophendukele inhliziyo ngezenzo zakho. Iqiniso lelo limzulu. Bese kuthiwa kukhona abalandi. Bese kuthiwa kube khona isikhulumo sithi kwase kuyoshiswa umuzi. Lento le itshela ukuthi bafethu we can never stop ngeke size sikwazi ukuthi sime ukukhuluma iqiniso singakalitholi. Umuzi usushiselana. Ushiselwa ini kwalomuntu ngoba nakusolakala ngokuthi uyena obabulele usolakala ngalokho.
Yeah guys, rekele film version ya Muthako ile ngoro twinshijwe ka incident la ya Mamelodi extension 17 where go hile bana ba 2 and one young man was shot. So ke utlwa mo social media and other places, especially the radio station is in the bolela gore the third person was a girl, so and it was a young man. Ke boletsile yena dimane mpotsa version ya gona gore what happened, because na le spetlela bena mpotsa re bana bale mpela ba bolela ba ba rekile ba rekitse bala ba 10,000. It's not the case. Number one. Number two, yes, someone in a jola le na dimanua 38-year-old. So bana ba fihlile ka di PM before midnight. Ba fihla ba itekela 6 ya bona. So already these guys never rekile biala ba bona. As you see the video ya mona le bona, a re ke yena I feeling one of his friends because na ja video ka phone wa gagwe. Biala bola ne le ba bona le chomi tsa ne ba rekile. So those ladies ba tla ba joina mo. So apparently this guy was the bouncer because ratana le yena ngwanyano. Then he became jealous over. So they could see go jealous. Even ngwana mo abalela no kante why is that really this guy ambia ngwana so because Komogolo, another cousin. So it was well and off. So Kadi AM, that is where things got out of hand. Because Mishimana Mbocha bona ba tsamaile a tsamaya another one of the cousin, then omu ashala this guy. So apparently go nanya go tsamaya yena maranga that girl refused and say hey kape ga I bona and stuff what he became very angry. That is why mola ba reng sendile le WhatsApp messages are the boy is acting up and what. So yeah, na ba create mola na tsamaya le this girl, another cousin. So ba fihla ka koloi ena 38-year-old le girlfriend ya gagwe, another cousin. So a itla mola o tswile a thuntša a re o ne a thomile ka o thunya pele wa bona ke ge apparently this guy yena ka mokgwa e bonang o re na nyaka gore intention ya ne le go ba bolaya ka moka so that they cannot be a witness. So thomile ka o thunya yena ka gore he's a boy, he's a young man, so gore a ka tla kgone o tšhaba ene apparently vele o tšhabile mara yena re naganne gore a mo thunya fela maybe he's going to pass away or something. That is where answer le go kgolenyana kwa utlwa di gunshot gape I think ke mo still ngwanola na refusa go tsamaya le yena because ke mo le utlwile makhi a bolela re o boletša re leave me alone. That is where a gunshot I utlwile. So Virginia dimane ko gore le sequence ya gona event gore this guy vele na ya go ba bolaya ka moka so that they cannot be a witness because ba mo tseba bona. So ba mo tseba if he's going to kill one girl and the other one will collaborate and say we really so once he killed all of them then it was going to be a smooth down. So what happened banong dimana o phidile ke ena o ile mo go boditse maphodisa. That is why this guy was arrested. So this guy is a warning to banna gore tlogela ma 2000 I get tsebe gore why should a 38-year-old mara ke a utlwa ba re mo di tavern mo ba re majetsana go tletse le bana ba bo ma 50 years 60 years ba kitima le bana. I don't know why this 38-year-old are really obsessed le lona le ngwane wa le 2000 to such an extent gore o feel angry mo lai gore that is still a puzzle gore why motho a ka tšea le 2000 very serious le mogolo so it puzzles me. But it goes to what I'm always preaching gore tlogelang di tavern ga di a loka batho ba modimo. Di tavern go satane o phela mo. Some of the taverns di go file ka dinoga le re le gore bana ba bolaiwa mo taverneng mo but sequence of the events it thomile gona go taverneng kwa bona. Sometimes this thing they can follow you and an incident they irega bona mo. So guys tlogelang di tavern go na le batho ba ileng gore ba lwala mo, they are sick, they are possessed wa bona. Rena sa le go tlasa moane mo sepetlela mona mo motho a teng a shitse nkare wa gafa so a re ba mo rositse tšhwene ba mo bofile ka tšhwene gore a kgone a bolaye batho. So a sa bolaye batho a be better wa bona. So a re o bofile Winterfeld ke ngaka tsoko gona kwa mara na ke a tseba a lafa ba re o a lafa tsa le naked. So a re a sa bolaye motho a be better. So you must always keep. So batho ba modimo hlokomela mabaka o tlogana ntaba tsa boshigo rena re tsamaya re ya boshigo re ya dikosheng re ya kerekeng. Strata se paletše masepala le ka sekebela se kgona bana ba borena ba di bona dilo tše ra le bona everyday ka taba tsa boshigo tsa mabjana mara still you are continuing wa bona le re monate mpolae wa bona a re le batho ba bolae mara dilo tse tsa boshigo tše batho ba modimo nke le emeng ka tsone ke mathata bona. This guy bona rano o throwile life ya gage ka moka moshimanyana o mo pilanyana o throwile life ya gage ka moka o ya tronkong mo ile ke mmone ko mo pila o fresh ba ile mo dira mosadi ka mo gore ba ile ba busy ka yena strong gore wa bona boa ka mo le tla ba shetse banong gore a utlwile if utlwe bila ke go le tlo go 2 murders and 1 attempted murder So guys, version ke yona eo bana ba le ba teteketse bana ba bona ba rekela bjala ba mathe a ona 10,000 wa bona bana ba batho ba ne ba ntse ba re maybe ba ile ba betha ke moya a re tsebe gore maybe ke ntelo ba e dira often mara Timane mpoditse gore that time vele ba iteketse 6 ya bona ba tla ba joina. So the other one a tsamaya lo mongwe then ba le ba tlile ka koloi. So mothakola o eme ka koloi mo la ntsana lo mongwe a thoma le go thunya o bona. So ke ka mokgwa ile mo dilo di reile ka teng. Timane le ena mpoditse a re no ke be o bona batho ke ba botse gore it's not the version e ba e bolela ya mo social media. Ke bolela ka motho le re horse's mouth wa bona le ge le o discharged ko sepetlele currently but vele na those buleta di mo dira selo di na mo touchitse fela. But guys nke le lebeleng taba tša dithabe e tswa mo dithabeng bona di mane gona bjanong o thro le future gage net ka le 2,000 banna ba ge se tlogelana le ma 2,000 a ke tsebe gore why le obsessed le ma 2,000 so gore go iragalang ka bona bana ba gore go dithabeneng kwa ke bana go tletse bana dithabeneng tse ke bana yes mara ba kgala be ba nyakang mo dithabeneng because ke a utlwa ba re go na le ba kgala ene dilo tse le ba rekelang tsona tse le reng ke di astropeds ya bona bjala bo mabjala bona bjanong a manga ke a go tura bile a manga ka se tsebe ke di fake gore ke di mara ge ba o rekela bjala ngwaneso o be careful banna ba matšetšana ba gafa motho a ka o rekela kene bjala one dampi or something after maro tsamaya le wena o gana o bolaya. That is the problem ya matšetšana banna ba gafa tle go tšea di sa bereka gabotse. Imagine a 38-year-old a bolaya ngwane monnyane so just gore nete a nyako tsamaya le ena. Ke di kwile mo horse's mouth guys wa bona that guy o mpoditše everything.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangibhoda usend message to mantombazane aseMzansi uthi mantombazane aseMzansi ngeke ufike unathi imali yemuntu etshwaleni umnathi umuntu la khona umnathi imali yakhe yokugcina umuntu uma usuka lapho wena ubese uyabaleka ngoba vele kuyatiwa ukuthi le emathaveni awunathi imali yemuntu okuphelele njalo kumbe ubaleke kumbe bese uthi wena ufuna kumuka vele it's now a business it's nika kahle so wena njena ungothengela tshwala ngimuka nawe if awufuni kumuka nami ufuna kuhamba umuke wedwane then it means ukuthi kufanele kube nema consequences. Unfortunately that's the sad reality guys, whether we like it or not, whether sithi oh no umuntu noma nathi imali yakho akufanele kumbulala kufanele kumende lutho, but it's the sad reality. It's something lekufanele sikhulume ngayo sooner or later nje itopic lekumele siyidiscuss. But sadly kena kunalaba ngekho ready for leyo topic leyo. People who are still saying ukuthi noma unathile umuntu noma ngabe unathi imali yakhe umuntu etshwaleni akana right ukubulala as much as anganayo right, but lokhu buhlungu ukuthi umuntu utokubulala because athi unathi imali yakhe. It's something lekudala yendeka lesaqhubeka yendeka nanyalo just to be safe as ladies or mangwana mali ehlalele ekhaya if you know nje ukuthi itshelede awunayona just stay at home Nkosi yami to avoid ukuthi sesigcina sesithi justice for zibani. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.